Hello everyone. Thank you for coming by my channel to watch this video. I really do appreciate it. Today I am sharing a video for my creative scrapbook. They have fun kits that you guys can subscribe to. I am using the main kit today, and it is the Jen Hadfield Peaceful Heart collection. So I am just going to be using this pattern paper that had all those fun little squares, and I cut them out, cut them out, and I wrote on the back of them the order because I liked kind of how it was arranged by the colors being varied. So that is why you saw me doing that. And I'm going to just arrange these kind of how they were, and I'm not gonna use all of them. I had them picked out which ones I wanted to use, and I'm going to take some photos that are just about 2 by 2, and I'm gonna fill the gaps with the photos. So I'm just putting these out and arranging them the way I like. I'm gonna have to move them around a little bit. Try not to get too many light colors by each other. And then just adding in those photos. Like I said, my photos are not quite 2 by 2, so I have taken some white cardstock and I cut 2 by 2 squares to mat those photos onto, so they were the same size as these other squares. And I am going to take my distresser tool here and just rough up the edges. I really do like to do this. I don't like the way this tool is roughing up the edges. I think I like it better when I use my scissors, so I either need to get a new tool or just use the scissors from now on. So I am just going to adhere these pieces down. Some of them I am going to adhere flat on to the background, and some of them I'm going to pop up with foam adhesive. There's no rhyme or reason of how I'm doing this, but I believe all of the photos are going to have foam adhesive on the back of them. And yeah, I'm just going to finish that off camera because it did take a little bit. And now I will move on to the embellishing part. So I'm using some of these foam adhesive embellishments. That one says Home Sweet Home. And these photos are of my 2 little girls. A few years ago, they were jumping in a pile of leaves that we raked up for them. And I'm actually going to switch out one of the squares at the top. I just didn't like the color of it. And I'm going to cover up where it says get well soon anyways. So that's not such a big deal. And I'm going to use this little mug here and trim off some of the white space. So I'm just going to add that to this square here. And I'm just going to add some foam adhesive on the back of some of the embellishments that are on squares that are flat. So they'll be the same height as the other squares that have foam adhesive on the back of them. And I'm not going to do too much more embellishing as this layout is already pretty full. And it really just didn't need that much embellishing. And I'm just going to take this white gel pen and add some line details on just that one foam embellishment, and then also on some of these squares, just to add some interest and separate them from each other a little bit more. I pretty much use this white gel pen on every single layout that I make, so it's definitely one of my favorites. And that's gonna finish up the layout. I hope you guys really enjoyed this process. Some close-ups are coming, and if you guys are interested in checking out what's available for my creative scrapbook kits, I will have their website linked below, and you can see all of the fun goodies. There's 4 different kits to choose from. So thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a wonderful day.